Imagine winning medals for the state or country by playing games on your mobile phones. Until now, it has been a nightmare for parents to see their teenage children engage in mobile gaming, but things have started changing with the revolution of esports, which is taking place across the globe, and India will have to catch up sooner or later. 25-year-old Sanojam Tirisha Chanu of Manipur may have just started a revolution for esports for Manipur. SKTV News Jiribam correspondent Roshimala brings you a special report. Let's take a look.
सब लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे इस विनम्र चिकनडिनर का एंड फाइनली वो फीमेल स्क्वाड जिनके ऊपर थोड़े सवाल लोगों ने उठाए थे उसका जवाब देते हुए चिकनडिनर निकाला है सर्कल में उतना रोटेशन हर कोई कह रहा था गेम प्ले.
In India's digital era, esports is the next frontier as it has become a medal event in Asian Games and International Olympic Committee, which will be organizing the first edition of the Olympic Esports Games in Saudi Arabia's Riyadh in 2027. That's where the talented youths in the country with interest in mobile gaming come in. One such bright esports talent is Sanojam Tirisha Chanu of Kalinagar in Jiribam district. She recently represented the EMP Hotshots, an all-women's team at the Battleground Mobile India Challenger Series, which is one of the biggest offline esports tournaments in the country. She shares her struggle and challenges on competing with men's team, considering esports is a gender-neutral game.
All India na ahama nupi team chicken dinner chawda mes ama chicken dinner chawse koi team no ge ba team mari yawda koi team no khai ahama team ne ba chicken dinner chawda pa ma jawa ngam bi base ado dumai to ama di koi na ada ideng am resu ei sawan kan gi hoi ke no to greba su to koi qualify obang am rega su ei ama di proof to rong ani ei team se moi ngam se lai se valueless na te koi at least koi show to ngam mi koi ni pa ga level sana ngam mi ha ado chicken dinner chagi ado chicken dinner chaw the state da le mi myam na khu ba khura kheba no bi team ko ha ma chagi na qualify obling ngam gi de du mathang da di fan da thana qualify oiraga thak level la chapa ngam da hona kani game jana mana official oiraga di ko all india yo thana ko da adu oiraga da ayu gi pum tra ma thoi de howe ba ado atoba tana pum qualify rang offline jum dei sana online jum dei sana bo oiraga di tingi pum ma de nan thang pum baro wa se lip to be game ni game free mi oiraga di me se an lu ta oiraga di mi ko khum da bi ni le de mi idea ma mi to hana ye dai yam na lu na oiraga di ko ai sa mak team ai je loi bin ko yang su soi ba ya de ba ai na hai tu min ai ma khai player sana te ne ba ai na si to wa mo to de ne ba na amu su le chawning ko yam phang na ga ko yam na ado ya ga de tho su phang ne ya ga di ai le ti ai wo mi yam dan de.
While the scope for esports is expanding, with Center also providing fillip through the passage of Online Gaming Bill 2025, esports can level with traditional sports in India. Sanojam Tirisha Chanu, who is the eldest of two siblings, talked about the scope of pursuing esports as a profession, as it can provide you with regular monthly source of income from various clans or gaming firms and by participating on various daily contests and tournaments. She is currently part of Kerala-based Royal Emperor Sports, and apart from monthly salary, it can take care of her expenses for Wi-Fi, headphone, and also even sponsored mobile phone device to play esports.
Offer la pa hore ba Mizoram dai offer la team mana ko SAS na le ko SAS na mo team la do moi da yaw da ai khang ba hore ko game hana ba da paisa phang ye ai si game chana ba da man pa ba salary jang ye ado khang ba hore jum ai di po jum me salary phang ye si khang ye ado di khangau da na sigi Royal Emperor Sports moi na wanda moi gi player ai di player mana wanda contact ro ko ne ba contact ro ko da hai ai gameplay ai Instagram da clip thagale ba ko Instagram da ko chana ba gi video ga thagale ba thagal bu to moi na hoi screen ko to ra ga moi na du u ba da gi ai ngon da contact ro pai da contact ro ko da gi smash chana sila o ko lo na do we mo du mo moi chana gi ne ba moi da chang ba da gi tournament se a zo myam chana phang ye myam chana phang ba da gi ai hai ai dum na phone just like ba moi na hai ai phone de pi ma tum da chana ba ya chana se na country ma haina rew ko country ma haina bada egi phone je chi 13 project moina sponsor tor bane ba na me ngam ba hore e di moi salary se sona phangam ba sona helam ba ta salary se helam ba ai salary sida hena phang ba yari khang e ba de acha ma su salary je tap tap na hengal le ko performance phajari ngai salary hele je du gom khang e ba chana to na me am chana ga salary yam hengal le phone sponsor phang e si royal embassy sport na ai any issue jong family issue wagera ngasi phau de sai bu ge de cham jate ha ya ni ai wifi recharge lo re moi ha pi rakani the phone, earpiece charger
Even though esports has scope for massive growth in the country, as the sport has been featured in Khelo India Youth Games that was held in Bihar, it can also take a heavy toll on health, especially on eye health, as the sports demand focus and attention in front of your mobile screen for hours. It can also affect your social engagement and overall interaction with other family members and friends. Teresa Chadu thinks health must come first, and she says she will continue to play esports until she fulfills her dream of taking an all-women team to global stage and to break the stereotype by showing that women can also excel in esports.
Game channel, but nang nasai health swing no suya de health condition ni nga dabani na sa sokol yate ko game hana bani na focus on na ko game china akoi mental health jam na kana opi haidere ko kaufuk na bodo dam to wi ko help to do sanare na hekta profit ngagi enjoyment ni chana boda family da effect ko bodo phatte ba nang hagi matam khaido ga imana bi chana bani du yaring kai di du to bi da kai mo family effect oi bor ga di to bi da na ba hairi ko ai ho je khale se hoi yo re chana ba all india hoi ajigi not in gaming nation na tournament na yo re ado ai haji kale je hoi adu ga hena level lo ga chana ba hingat laga ai team je mi ngam chalan bagi chalan gi ko lan gi khalle ba se ai na ma ni khanga ni se nupa makta chana ba da pajana ngam mokpa team nupi gi team da tournament ngam moktra su honara mi have mi chana ma le na ko adu ma su uhani nge ba se jikan de ya no endo re da lu re graduation na su just lag re wa ado ai tau ge khala me tam ko pa se lo haji kan ne lo tam ko sa lo jang ni na ma pan da hai muji ram ne kem nei ba na te mama ba ngam da mi na endo re do akoi pa gi mama ba business se sida sum mating pang again le nang pa su thabok to tor mi na PMCD chahi leite nang sana ha ngam nge sana bi da ne ba ko do ai su yeng ani ai na ngam nge sana ga ni अंदरगा पापा और मागी दुकान में मतेंग बांग ना होना है
सब लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे इस विनर चिकन डिनर का एंड फाइनली वो फीमेल स्क्वाड जिनकी ऊपर